Saroja Gurung of Class 8B, representing Sapphire House, is about to recite a short poem. The title of my poem is Beauty is Only Skin Deep by Linda Winchell. My skin may not be flawless, my eyes may not be the right shade of blue, but what I have some others do not is the deepest love for you. For you, only see people, exterior values, and haven't you taken time to look within that my life has been renewed, and God has forgiven me of my sins. All one's outwardly loveliness thought will all one day fade away from view, but what will really remain is eternity. Is what Christ has done in you. Had you surrender yourself to Him? Did you help your neighbors when cold? Did you feed the hungry, clothe the naked? Did you do anything for mankind and God at all? This is the beauty our Lord sees, not the fleshy house we all stirred about. It's all about hay and stubble to God, but the beauty lives within must show out. Thank you.